Hello friends, so today we are here with our Tata Harrier, brand new Tata Harrier. So today I would be giving you a quick review on this car, the Harrier Smart optional variant, on road 19 lakh 55,000, depends on the state, but on ex-showroom we get it for 15.85 lakh. So this is the car. You can see the out profile of this car. First of all, I would like to give you the exterior look of the car. This is exterior look. Basically these are the headlights of the car. As you can see, these are the running DRLs. Basically these are the running DRLs here. These here you will get these projectors. Not no fog lamp you will miss out here. You will not get fog lamp in this variant. Okay, this is also the projector. Okay, I will end this video today. I will also show you the engine specifications of this car as well. Okay, so as you can see how the car headlight is doing the animations here in this video. This car look very stylish, no doubt. Okay, now I will show you the side profile of this car. As you could see the side profile of this car, how beautiful it looks. Really, it's very beautiful car. Okay, like it been 2 months old. We have bought on basically at 9 April. It's been around 3 months now. So this is the side profile of this car, and I will show you the boot space, everything as well. This is the back profile of this car. As you can see here, completely it's very good, and how the running DRLs are also being installed. This is basically 2025 model, okay, of Tata Harrier. We have kept some baggage here, so show you that all how is the boot space. So this is about the boot space. You will get about 425 liter of the boot space, which is enough. Here you will get the spare parts like the Stephanie parts and all here like this. Okay, you will just lift it up, so you will get the Stephanie parts as well. The tire is installed below the car. You will get these roof rails here as well. As you can see the roof rails, you will get these ORVMs, which are not auto fold or ORVMs. You will not get auto fold. So friends, now we are inside the car. As you can check the interior. See, in this variant you will not get this system and all, because this is a smart optional variant. So you have to get it installed from either outside, or better is to install this from the company. They take only 50 to 60,000 extra for me, and they will also give you the Harman Kardon speakers. Here you can see the Harman Kardon speakers as well. There it is installed. The no badging is there, but it's the Harman Kardon speakers only, because Tata offers that only. Now I will give you some specifications or the outlook of this car from the internal. So definitely I will show you about the IRVMs. IRVM is manual. This type of headset ORVM you will get here. Okay. And if I will talk about the ORVMs are electrically adjustable, but these are not auto fold ORVMs. So see, these are completely adjustable electrically. That ORVM as well. So as you can see that, and this is the steering of this car. Illuminated logo you will get. This type of this type of view you can set, but there is also many views. Like this is the digital view, dial view basically. This, and every setting is here. Okay, like first of all, this is the fuel. This is the handbrake. Yeah, just a second, I will show the handbrake of this car. It's like a cockpit's handbrake. See, this type of handbrake you will get. This lovely handbrake you will get. The premium interior, and the seats are just of fabric only, because that's the thing. If you will if you will be paying more money, so definitely you will get the leather seats, and the alloy wheels you also get in this variant. Okay, so this is the handbrake basically. Okay, this is the handbrake, and this is the gear. Manual transmission you will get in this car. Okay, you can also get the back camera installed. We have installed the back camera. It's very good. It's of very good quality. See, now here let's talk about this. These are the AC vents. Okay, these are the AC vents. Defoggers you will get. Below ACs you will get. Okay, this is for temperature adjustment. You will get the automatic climate control in this car. Not dual zone, but automatic climate control. AC option, AC button, AC on off. This is completely to off the AC completely. Okay, we have completely off the AC. See, no air is coming. This is to max the defogger level for the internal and out air. This is for adjusting the fan speed. As you can see, like if I will do like this, so see, if I am increasing, decreasing, you can completely see. Here's the hazard warning switch, and here's the boot switch, and here's the to lock or unlock the car completely. See, if I will press that button, so this would happen. Okay, And this, if I've already told about you the steering. Now you will not what you will get here. So you will get drive assist ADAS level 1 you will get in this car. Vehicle information you can go, DFF level, pressure, tire pressure. So I would request you all to keep the tire pressure of Tata Harrier 33, because whenever the car moves, the tire expands. So please keep the tire pressure 33 only. This is the power. If I will just I will show you, this is the G-force meter. Okay, this is the for now. Let's go to menu back, and the notifications, AC information, basically what's the temperature of AC right now. Okay, and layout, here is the layout. You can adjust the layout from here. Okay, this is the digital view, and this is the minimal view. Minimal view is great, I think. Okay, it will show you everything. And let's go back, and let's go to, now I will show you the trip information. Trip info you will get. This car gives a mileage, you can't believe it, friends. But when I was on the way to Vasundhara to Rohini, so this car gave me 26.7 of unbelievable mileage. Like, you all won't believe this, but this is the true. I will show you the photo as well. I will attach the photo in this video, and it was unbelievable. Okay, this car mostly gives 16 km per liter mileage in the city as well. For the people, those who say that a Tata car mileage is not good, especially for Harriers, so please show this video to them. Now this was all about our car. I will show you the back profile as well in some time. If we'll talk about the touchscreen, you will get the Android Auto CarPlay. Android Auto CarPlay you will get here. The Tata, this installed, I got this installed from the Tata company. You can run every app on it, like the Netflix, YouTube, Play Store. You can definitely use the cameras. This car doesn't support the 360-degree camera. Okay, if I will go here, so it will only show back. Okay, other than that it will be blank, because this car doesn't support the 360-degree camera. Okay, chrome and everything you will get here. And you can also adjust the EQ, the equalizer presets, basically. Okay, so this is sound. We could off the seatbelt sensors also. Okay, so we could off these seatbelt sensors and the equalizer, like the whatever the type of the music system you want, like the default, insane, okay, insane, flat, powerful, vocal. This is about the basically to set the speakers. And if I will show you, like FM you will get, watch you will get here, songs you can also support the Bluetooth, aux system you will get, Android Auto, as I've already showed you what is this. So this was about the Apple CarPlay. You will get wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, basically. And the YouTube, you can definitely install it and take and do enjoy of it. Okay, this was all about the screen, all about the interior, everything. And here's the some of the storage spaces given here. Okay, this some of the storage. Okay, and this is the glove box of this car. This car supports this type of charging you will get here. This and 12 watt of the, basically the big adapter. And here are the mirror are only like this. And this car have insane power to 170 of bhp, basically 168 of bhp, and 350 nm of torque. This is a very great power. We went to Mussoorie, so our car was climbing at the steep cut just on second gear, which was insane, by looking the power of this car. Okay, and this was about the interior and all, everything I have showed you there, here and here. Now I will show you the things that I don't like in this car. I will show you, just a second. This key, I don't like this key. This key was given to me by Tata Motors. In the car like Alto nowadays, we could get this center locking key, but in this car you will not get center locking. See, it's like shocking, don't you think, y'all? This is the worst thing in this car. Like, it's very like, and the button should come nowadays in the cars, start stop button, I guess. And the third thing I don't like about this car is this, basically this part. The person who is tall and he is driving comfortably, so this gets like this, so it's hurt my knee sometimes whenever I am driving the car. Okay, it hurt my knee, my father's knee as well, because it's not comfortable. The car is comfortable, but this type of thing which doesn't mean anything is not good at all. Okay, and the storage is good. The glove box is there, in sufficient space you will get in this glove box. No light would be there. Okay, and the storage you will definitely get there. Okay, that is not any type of other bottle, that is just a normal water bottle, friends, don't you think like that. Okay, so that's a normal water bottle. Okay, now all about this was the car, and I think you would thinking that this car is good. So yes, I will show you the back seat of the car basically. So let's go at the back seat and I will show you the space and all there. See, this is the knee room which you will get here in this back seat. Okay, this is the profile of the back seat, as you could see. Okay, this type of sufficient space you will get, and my height is 6'2". My height is 6 feet 2 inches, so that's sufficient for me. If I will show you the headroom as well, so see. So this is the headroom basically. Okay, this about the sufficient headroom I will get here. That's good. Okay, everything is good here. So you can get the mats installed from the outside. These are the 70 mats, and here also you will get these two sockets. Okay, this for one for the C2C cable, another one for the USB cable. You could also lower down your seat from this button. Okay, press this button downwards, push this button basically, and so your seat will come down. Okay, easily your seat will come down. कोई भी यहाँ पे लेट सकता है आराम से. Anybody could lie down over here. Okay, and this was about the back seat of the car. You will get the fabric material here as well. We have got these cushions from the outside. Okay, and these type of handles you will get in this car, as you would all would be aware of this. Yes, one thing I forgot about to say you, that this is the two parking sensors from the below, from the back side, and these are the parking cameras basically. In this car, my friends, I will tell you, this car has achieved the 5-star safety rating in the global NCAP and the Bharat NCAP as well. And this car supports you 6 airbags, and you know that what is the safety of the Tata brand supports. So friend, this is about the engine of this car. This is the engine, the big engine you will get, produces 168 bhp, 350 Nm of torque. Here is the coolant, here is the battery and all. The battery is on work. So this was all about the engine as well, engine specifications. Okay, so that's all from my side today. So I've told you each and everything about this car. This car is wonderful. Some things are not good in this car. First of all, about the central locking which you will get, it's completely necessary in all the cars nowadays. Okay, so that's the thing I don't like about this car. This was all about this wonderful Tata Harrier. So we will meet you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. My name is Kanav. We will meet in next videos. Thank you.